MRP sir, please come up on stage to give away the next set of mementos. The friendly senior who hardly ever got angry. Hats off to his patience. Rongala Sai Aditya, an inspirational football captain, the unstoppable runner, and a just prefect. He will surely be leaving us in a month, but the memories he gave us will remain with us forever. The recipient of school blazer for athletics and school colors for football. Sarthak Daruka. Of late, Sarthak is synonymous with studying. His passion for basketball is a much-spoken affair. Nitin Surya, also known as Boba alias Hobby. He is the most wanted batchmate. He is one of the funniest seniors and nobody can forget the way he laughs. His unbiased judgments are always appreciated. Why Sudhan Krishna? He's a born leader and doesn't need a tag to define his leadership qualities. Thank you, MRP sir. We request PC Bera sir to kindly come up on stage. Yogesh Pulivarthi, this perfectionist of the batch doesn't miss out on any fun that goes around, especially when it comes to basketball. The recipient of school scarf for basketball. Advita Navneet, the girl with the grooves and moves, full of energy and enthusiasm, and can create magic on canvas. Akshita Anil Kumar, the gutsiest person we'll ever come across. She lives with a perspective of her own. Apoorva Yadav, very optimistic and fun-loving. Slow and steady wins the race is what defines her perfectly. Achieving a target of 11 meters in javelin throw in her first attempt shows that she gives her best in whatever she does. I would now request Ashwathi to come and collect the memento on her behalf. Ashwathi Ashok Kumar, a headstrong personality with an impeccable taste for music. She's a fun-loving and cheerful person who believes in living in the moment. One cannot resist loving her. Hinshara Habeeb, a vibrant person with a strong heart. Hinshara is very dedicated to her work and makes everyone around her feel comfortable. The one with the blush on her face all the time. Thank you, sir.
Now we request Beena ma'am to come up on stage. She is the apple of everyone's eye and a rare combination of beauty with brains. She is always up for some mischief. P. Ashmin Wapshare, our very own Lady Michael Jackson. Nothing has ever been impossible for her. One can always count on Ashmin. Shapna Stephens, someone who adds a spark to everything she does. The athletic captain of the school and also the best long-distance runner who can run reconnects without stopping. An academic high achiever, she is an all-rounder at the end of the day. The recipient of School Blazer for excellence in athletics. Shreya Daga. Her altruistic attitude can move people. She reaches out to people with her cordiality. She's one with supportive network of close relationships and an actual social butterfly. Sita Jawahar. Born with a mic inside her throat, she's gregarious and garrulous. Sita is very accommodating and an enthusiastic badminton captain. The recipient of school colors for excellence in badminton. Yashwanti B.S. She is a cheerful person with magic both on stage and on paper. One can always find her in good spirits. Thank you, Beena ma'am. We now request CJ ma'am to come up on stage. P. Akul Sai. He may be one of the youngest of the lot, but also one of the brightest. A great badminton player and can be easily one of the best in the school. The recipient of school colors for excellence in archery. Anurag Rath. He was one of the most silent people one can come across. Nobody will forget his disbelief upon becoming the Aravali prefect, even though he deserved it. K. Jagannath, the smart badminton player of the batch, who may look serious, but once the ice is broken, he is great fun to be around. Kumaran P, small in size but big at heart. This softie is a hard hitter at the courts. The boy who can have a team built around him. Thank you, CJ ma'am. We now request SG ma'am to come up on stage. PG Arun Madhav. Even a Harvard professor will be amazed at this physics mega mind. He is a walking encyclopedia with a great sense of humor. He always gets fair fame in everything he does. The recipient of School Scarf for excellence in hockey. Raja Sharavana. No one can be so close to perfection as Raja has been. The wonderful athletics captain and prefect whom everyone admires. He is being re-awarded the School Blazer for athletics and being awarded school colors for excellence in football. Ranvijay Singh Ranawat, the happy-go-lucky hockey captain whose day would never go without cracking a lance PJ. His famous dialogue, peace of mind, after every sentence does calm you down at times. He is being re-awarded School Blazer for excellence in hockey. S. Karthikeyan, the one with a textbook in his hand all the time. Karthikeyan will be remembered for his dedication towards cricket and studies. We hope he maxes psychology this time. Thank you, SG ma'am.
We request NTP sir to kindly come up on stage to give away the next set of mementos. Sanjit Senapati, the star striker of the school football team and the fastest runner in school. Sanjit is a perfect prefect. His leadership qualities will always be admired. The recipient of school blazer for athletics and school colors for football. Sudhanshu Shekhar Vashisht. He is the most dedicated cricketer one can ever come across. Famous among the ladies, Sudhanshu always has his priorities sorted. Shashank Jasti. This quiet and gentle tennis player has got no business to mind but his own. Vijay Chandar. Vijay is a dedicated science student with fair football skills. We hope that his prosperity prevails in his life after Lawrence. Thank you, NTP sir. We request RJ sir to kindly come up and give away the next set of mementos. Jugi Rithanya. With a hard exterior, Jugi really is a softie inside. She has a benign personality and thrives for excellence and nothing less. She is also a strong and confident person. Justy James, a charismatic dancer who never backs down from a challenge. Hridwi Shiral, the one with a cheerful personality and whose enthusiasm inspires everyone. Gill, a person who made us believe that we can achieve anything if we set our mind. She has proved her credentials through her commitments. The recipient of School Blazer for excellence in athletics. Thank you, RJ sir. We invite Sherpal sir to come up and give away the next set of mementos. Raagini Biswas, Vice Head Girl 2015. Her love for animals is a treasured thought, especially as an equestrian captain. The wisdom of her voice and the feel of honey in her song will forever echo in our hearts. She is a catalyst in anyone's life who knows her. The recipient of school colors for equestrian. S. Roshni, a magnanimous heart and a smile that will rapture you just as much as her aesthetic skills. A sagacious advice and thought will drive anyone to handle a situation meticulously. Sarah Johnson, Assertive is one word that can describe her. A person with confidence and style, who's swift in thinking and quick in action. She's a very smart person with panache and a lot of determination. The recipient of School Blazer for excellence in football. Sonali Priyadarshini, Head Girl 2015. An enduring personality, extremely talented squash captain with a character that is worth emulating. The recipient of School Blazer for excellence in athletics. V. Reshmi. She is someone who's hard to find and difficult to forget. Her best trait is a friendly and sweet nature. Thank you, Sherpal sir. We invite BCR sir over to give away the next set of mementos.
Arjun Shanmugavel, the proverbial chilled out guy. It has always been tough to distinguish him from his twin. A football fanatic, an actual Real Madrid fan, and has a great knowledge about the game. Easily one of the coolest seniors in senior school. Bhagwati Shekhawat, a person respected for his common sense and known for his friendly nature and problem-solving skills in an ingenious way. Yet another ladies' man. Bilal Mohammed, a new bud of the batch who seems to have an extraordinary personality. He brings out the best in everyone around him. Abdul Azeez Khan, the person who says less but has always shown immense talent in the basketball courts. The fun-filled basketball matches with him will be missed. A true lover of the school sambar. Thank you, BCR sir.